Find y prime and y double prime, first derivative and second derivative, if y squared minus x squared equals 5. Express y double prime in terms of x and y. Let's start by taking the derivative with respect to x of both sides, y squared minus x squared, and the derivative with respect to x of 5. Derivative with respect to x of y squared is 2y times dy dx, using our chain rule, minus derivative of x squared, 2x, equals 0. Solving for dy dx, 2y dy dx equals, add 2x over there, and then we divide by 2y. dy dx equals 2x over 2y, so dy dx equals x over y. This is, of course, y prime. Y prime is x over y. Now we want the second derivative. Well, y double prime means the derivative of y prime, or the derivative of dy dx. Because dy dx is x over y, I'm taking the derivative with respect to x of x over y. This is a quotient, so unless I rewrite it, this will require the quotient rule. So my y double prime, thinking of my quotient rule, low, d high, derivative of x is 1, minus high, d low, derivative of y is dy dx, all over low, low, y times y, or y squared. Now, remember that dy dx is equal to x over y. And remember that we want the second derivative in terms of just x and y. We don't want any other letters such as d in our answer. So I'm not quite done yet. I'm going to substitute what dy dx equals as x over y. Y times 1 is y, so this looks like y minus x times x over y all over y squared. Now, this is an answer in terms of x and y, but I can clean this up a lot, and normally we will see this cleaned up a lot. So I notice I have a denominator in my numerator. To get rid of extra denominators that I don't want, I multiply by what those denominators are. So I'm going to multiply by y to both my numerator and my denominator. We need to distribute this y. So what does that make? Y times y, y squared, minus x times x is x squared, and the y divided by the y makes 1. So there's no more y for that second term. Y squared times y is y cubed. Now this is definitely a cleaner answer. However, remember from the beginning that y squared minus x squared equals 5? Well, this is y squared minus x squared, so that equals 5. And I get a better answer as 5 over y cubed. That's my best answer in terms of x or y.